Okay, first I'm going to moisturize my lips. I'm using Kissed and Told Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Bear. And then I use my Pond's moisturizer, which is a 24-hour moisturizer. Then I'm going to put on some sunscreen. We want to protect our face. Right there, that's Mario Badescu's sunscreen moisturizer. So I'm heading in with my Anastasia Brow Wiz. I use the shade Granite. I'm just going to go over my eyebrows, fill them in, and yeah. I'm now going to use my NYX Brow Gel. I just use the dark brown. It helps my eyebrows be more filled in, look more darker, solid, however you want to call it. I love using Tarte concealer for my eyebrows. It's kind of thick but not too thick, so it definitely gives the good full coverage for your brows, especially if you got some sparse hairs. You need to cover that, sis. We don't need it showing. So I do like Tarte. It's really good. I like to use a lighter concealer right underneath the arch of the brow. It just helps the eyeshadow stand out. Once it's done, you'll see at the end. I'm just using a wet beauty blender to like spread out the concealer, give it a flat surface, the right kind of canvas we need for our eyeshadow. Then I set that with my Airspun setting powder. I love Airspun powder. It smells so good. It smells so good. Now I'm using the Maybelline. It's actually an eyelash gel, but you can use it for your eyebrows. It's okay. So I just do that to get the powder, and if I had any concealer, cover my eyebrows. It's good. I'm just going in with a brown eyeshadow to basically outline the outside of my eyeball. Then I use that lighter eyeshadow just to buff it out. We want to blend it out. Make sure there's no harsh lines. We need a good blend. That's all you need. You want a good looking blend. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with that gold shimmery shade. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just take a fluffy brush and put it up around, basically fill in where there was no brown. I also take that eyeshadow and put it underneath my eyebrow, just like to highlight that eyebrow bone right there. So now I'm going to go in with my Hard Candy Popping Pigments Glitter Stay. I'm using my finger to apply it. That's gonna be the adhesive for the glitter. I'm gonna use this gold glitter called 24 Carats. This is by Kissed and Told Cosmetics, and I just put a teeny bit. I just want a little bit, not too much. It's not a full cut crease or anything. Now I'm going in with my Crayon Case matte lipstick. I use the shade Raven. I am not on my lips yet. I am going to use it for my eyeliner. Like, it's really cute, guys. Watch. For some reason, my eyeliner don't come out cute, perfect, none of that when I'm right in front of the camera. So I had to turn a little sideways. But yeah, you get the gist of it. I'm using lipstick for my eyeliner. That's like a way to get a really good shade that you don't have. If you don't have that eyeliner, lipstick will do. Okay, so now it's my favorite part. I'm using the Black Duo eyelash glue. The lashes I'm using, they're called Amber. They're Amber lashes from Kiss and Toe Cosmetics once again. So I'm just getting ready, you know. I love this part. So y'all probably wondering why I keep turning to the side. Here is the thing. I wear glasses. I am blind. So I honestly just could not see. Like, it was like not enough lighting or whatever. So yeah. Sometimes I gotta whatever. I got it. So far, all I did was put on primer. You can use any primer, it's no biggie. Then I'm using my foundation here. I am using my Lancome foundation to be exact. I'm the shade 500 SueW, and I just use a Real Technique brush, spread that around my face. Then I went into using my Juvias Place foundation in the shade Guinea. And now I put my concealer, my Tarte concealer in the shade, what shade is that? Deep. And now I'm using my Juvias Place foundation to contour. To contour is Sokoto. And I just use a beauty blender to blend that all in. Okay, so now I'm using my Crayon Case setting powder. I use the shade O, their chalk dust setting powder. It has a yellow tint to it, so I definitely like it underneath my eyes. It just brightens up the area and give you that nice soft, just melanin look. I love it. My Bobbi brown contour powder I've had for a very long time. I believe the shade is Deep 4. It's like my go-to. Like, I'm never switching this until I get to the end of the pan, the bottom of the pan. I love it. So now I'm just using my Soft Focus face powder, pressed powder. I put it everywhere on my face. That just brings back the shade, you know, so I don't look too light more than I should. Then I'm just using a red, it's more like a berry tone blush, and I just placed that there. Now I'm going back with the lipstick to line my under eye. So I know I look mad crazy. I am multitasking. Right now I'm putting that same gold, and now I'm just putting it underneath my eye, only halfway, not the whole, shebang bang. Then I'm just using mascara. You can use any mascara. I don't have a favorite mascara yet, so it don't really matter. Now I am using Kiss and Toad Cosmetics highlight. I love this highlight. This is the shade Main Chick. I'm putting it everywhere. Highlight should go, okay? So I just love it. I really do. Now I'm gonna do my lips. Of course, I'm gonna use the same lipstick I've been using this whole look for my eyeliner. So this is the Crayon Case matte lipstick in the shade Raven. And then we are all done. So I just want to thank y'all for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, because it's lit. It's lit. I love this look. Thank you guys.